Great, 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 great. Yes. Welcome back. So, this section, what we're going to do, we're just going to add our controllers, and then we end it there. So we're going to use just the normal tools provided by Microsoft inside the Visual Studio to add our controllers and test it and make sure it's working. Then we end it there. Then in our next section, we'll start digging into the 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 issues associated with what we have created so far, and what are the measures, or what are we supposed to put in place to implement to mitigate those issues. So now, currently we have two projects. We have the data access, and then we have the UI project over here. And what I'll do now is I'll go here directly, go into the controllers, add a new controller here. I'll use the MVC controller with views using Entity Framework. Just want us to get, so let me create for instructor first, DB contest. Select my DB contest. Don't use async. All this checked. Find. Click on add. Let's take it to my time. Perfecto. So I have a tool installed here called Reshaper. That is why you're seeing all these lines and all that. So let me just remove. Okay, wants me to make the field read only, and also do I rename it to this? No problem. Good. Indentation, fix it. Indentation, just fix it. Okay. So with Reshaper, I can even just clean code, run this, and get all this things set up, formatted properly. Good, 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 good. Now, let me take this comment out so we have a code that we can see properly. I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this. Good, 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 good. This is edit, get. Let me take all these comments out so we can, so from index to whatever. This is for instructor. Okay, let's do same for, courses. So we have, where's courses? Courses is there. And where's this? Same thing we have for courses. Let's hold on. Wait. Good, perfect. This should be read only, and read a conversion, and let's rename it to this. You can get this tool, Reshaper. It's a very good tool. I recommend for anyone to use. It makes work easy, as you can see. Yeah, I have a very readable code. Okay, so I'm taking off all those comments. So we don't have too much in here. Let me just use Reshaper to clean this. Good. So good. So this is for courses too. Now let's add a controller for instructor course. Click on add. Scaffolding. Good. let's make field read only and rename this. Good. You're a developer, you should work smart. So don't go typing. Get tools that makes your work faster. If you have to pay for it, pay for it. Let a fellow developer get look of you. Alright. So take this comment out. Let me clean this. Let me clean code. Run. Good. So we have all these controllers created just as we expected it to be, and just as the normal procedure that most of us go through. We put our controllers and write all our queries here, accessing database. You see, yeah, database connections in here and all that. We'll talk about all this in the next lecture. All these ones, these are dependencies. We'll even go a little into invention of control to see how to even invent these dependencies and take them out of this controller. So, but for now, let's just check and see if this is working. So let me run this. Perfecto. So let me go to instructor, create a resource cannot be found. Okay, it's instructors. Instruct. There's an S. Good. So instructor name of is there. Instructor contact 64273. Let's hit create. Perfecto. So this is working. Create new. Evelyn there. 2072921134. Create. Perfecto. Apart from instructor, let's go to course. We'll create menus for this courses. We'll create menu for all this so that you don't have to be typing there. So we have courses. Let's say create. Good. Oh, there's something not right here. We shouldn't be asked for course ID. So let's go back to our DB and watch courses if it is not. We shouldn't be asked. Okay, so this is where the mistake is coming from. We didn't mark this as an identity column. So I'm going to do that right now and save it. Save this. Good. Now, what I'll do is I'll end this, go back to the data model here and update model from DB and just refresh it. Good. Now that that is done, we have to manually edit that code to bring it to conform to. So when we go to courses controller, where's the create? This is create view and it's adding here. So we just take it out from the create view. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this from the view. We don't need the code. And we go to edit to. Okay, it should be hidden there. The primary key for hidden Wonderful. Good, 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 good. So let's run this again. No, this is going to try an error. Let's end it. Oh, sorry. Let me just put it on create. Let me put it on create and just execute this. Good. Good. So we have programming in Java, course code, CST, computer science 1, um, perfecto. So programming in, let's say, C sharp. This is CS2. Good, 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 good. The next one is this instructor courses. Let's see if that is also working. So we're going to create menus for all that, so don't worry. So let me instructor courses create. Good. So course ID, programming who this, let's say create. Good. Create new one. We can say programming C# is by Evelyn Adai. Perfecto. This is just for demo purpose, so forget about our UI and all that now. Let's go back to our DB and check if everything we is in the database. Good, we have it in the database, we have the courses. Good, we have the instructor, and we have our mapping here, course ID, instructor ID, course ID, instructor ID. Perfecto. So we'll end this here from now. It's almost 2 a.m. Tomorrow morning we will start diving deep, 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 deep. We will start by looking at this. I'll go a little deeper into um, invention of control so that we will implement some IOC container to do some kind of dependency injection using constructor injection just to take away this so that you can have a complete end-to-end implementation of what we are trying to achieve. So thank you for following till this point, and hope to see you tomorrow. Bye.